So, Puneet, what can you tell us about your key takeaways from the earnings that you saw?
Well, there were multiple companies that came out with earnings specifically in the auto ancillary and component space. We picked out the ones which have delivered good results, and I've also given some forward commentary as well. So we start with Bosch. The company has added roughly 1,200 crores of market cap just today. It reported results on Friday, and it said that their while revenue as well as EBITDA was in the mid-single digits, the margins rose roughly by 30 basis points. The net profit resultantly rose roughly 41% on strong operating leverage for the company, and they have also said that going forward they are expecting good demand for the next fiscal year. The second one that we're tracking is Minda Corporation. The results came sometime in mid last week, and while the results were really good on a strong operational performance, they had a slight they were lower compared to the last year because there was a tax write back. If you remove that, there has been a growth of roughly 17% in their profits, while revenues also risen up by roughly 10%, and EBITDA is up 18.5%. When we look at what brokerages are saying, Nuvama has a buy call with a price target of roughly 530 rupees, which is a 24% upside from the levels. They have said that the company's lifetime orders in the EV space have crossed 9,000 crores over the past 2 years, and that's where they are getting their positivity. Another Minda Corp company, which is Uno Minda, that's also up 8% in just the past 5 days, buzzing on strong results. As mentioned, revenue rose roughly 31%, while EBITDA was up roughly 48% compared to the same time last year. The margins have come in upwards of 140 basis points to come in at roughly 12.5%, while net profit is up 55% to come in at roughly 300 crores. They have also expanded their current facility of the plant located in Ahmednagar, and brokerages such as Nuvama is positive and seeing a 17% upside from the current levels as well. And finally, Gabriel Auto, the results come, this is a slightly smaller company, came out with results on Friday. The revenues grew roughly 16%, while EBITDA also came up roughly 160 basis points. The reason we're highlighting this company, it has an 80% market share in the two-wheeler EV space, where they give their products out to the likes of TVS as well as Ola and Ather in the private space. So overall, strong show by the auto component makers. Definitely valuation concern on the OEM space. Giving options in the component space is one of the key triggers, as well as earnings, as you rightly mentioned. But overall, good show. Back to you.